So I am Jaco Reyes. I am a sales associate at Altitude Digital. Well, I am a photographer. I also do some 3D printing on the side. So come along with that, I am also a content creator. Well, I take street photography. I also do some food. I used to do fashion, but more or less, I like shooting travel photos. Since I also shoot travel content, I wanted to get a different perspective, so mainly aerial photography na rin. And also given that I post on Facebook and Instagram, I chose the Mini 3 mainly because it has vertical shots or portrait mode. So since I also do 3D printing, I create accessories for my drone. So right here we have a joystick guard. And for the drone itself, I also have a propeller guard. Favorite features ko kay DJI Mini 3. Well, may option siya na yung RC remote yung kasama. Given that you have the RC remote, it's a lot easier to upgrade because the RC remote is compatible with the Mavic 3, Air 2S, and the Mini 3 Pro. Well, mainly for travel content. Since I'm still learning how to use the drone, or I'm still practicing, the Mini 3 is one of the best options. It changed my perspective mainly because since I usually shoot street photography, I am usually on the ground. Now I can play with altitude a little bit more without having to go to a building. Now I can let the drone do the work and go up for me. And with the RC, it allows me to see exactly what the drone is seeing without having to connect the phone. At the same time, I do have zoom function and of course, yung quick functions ni Mini 3 or ni RC na pwede ko in 90 degrees and portrait mode real quick. If you are looking for your first drone, I would certainly recommend the Mini 3 for your first drone. Mainly, aside from just being content creator friendly, it is easy to learn to fly this. So I just learned how to fly drones last year and actually learned on the Mini 3 Pro, but I chose to go with the Mini 3 mainly because I wanted to hone my craft. I wanted to be able to start from the baseline essentially and then work my way up, which makes it a lot easier because I now have the RC remote, which can be paired with other drones as well, like the Air 2S, the Mavic 3, and of course the Mini 3 Pro. And for those who have their own drones, I would love to see your content down in the comments below. So yeah, if you are looking for a Mini 3 or any other drones, you can visit our store at Sparta PH in Mandaluyong. You can also check out our website, that's altitude.ph. You can also check us out on Facebook, that's Altitude Digital. Same for Lazada and Shopee.